Dear students, I am Gulam Rasool Nayak, lecturer at Zoology, BHSS Tral. Today my topic for class 11th is proteins. Proteins are large-sized biomolecules. They are heteropolymers of structural units called amino acids. A total of 20 different amino acids exist in proteins, and hundreds to thousands of these amino acids are attached to each other in long chains to form a protein. Amino acids can be released from proteins by hydrolysis. Due to their large size, proteins form colloids when they are dispersed in a suitable solvent. The 20 amino acids in proteins can be arranged in millions of different ways to create millions of different proteins, each with a specific function in the body. The structures of proteins differ according to the sequence or order in which the amino acids combine. The largest known proteins are titans, found in muscles, which are composed from 27,000 to approximately 35,000 amino acids. Proteins are the most abundant organic molecules of the cell, forming about 50% of its dry mass. Chemically, proteins are formed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. A protein may consist of a single chain of amino acids, which is called a polypeptide, or it may have more than one chains of amino acids or polypeptides. In a polypeptide, the adjacent amino acids are linked by peptide bonds formed between amino group of one amino acid and the carboxylic group of the other. Depending upon the number of polypeptides in a protein, we have two types of proteins: monomeric proteins and multimeric proteins. A protein made of single polypeptide is called monomeric protein. For example, myoglobin. A protein having two or more than two polypeptides is called a multimeric or oligomeric protein. For example, insulin. Depending upon their role in nutrition, proteins are of two types: complete proteins and incomplete proteins. A complete protein is a food source of protein which contains all the 9 essential amino acids that our body cannot produce on its own. Complete proteins are usually found in almost all animal foods like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Incomplete protein is a food source of protein which lacks one or more essential amino acids. Incomplete proteins are usually found in plant foods such as nuts, seeds, green peas, lentils, and most grains. Now let us discuss some important functions of proteins. Proteins are required for the growth and maintenance of tissues. Enzymes are proteins that allow chemical reactions to take place within the body. Some proteins function as hormones, which are chemical messengers that aid in communication between cells, tissues, and organs. A class of proteins known as fibrous proteins provide various parts of our body with structure, strength, and elasticity. Proteins act as buffer system, helping our body maintain proper pH values of the blood and other body fluids. Proteins form antibodies to protect our body from foreign invaders such as disease-causing bacteria and viruses. Some proteins transport nutrients throughout our entire body while others store them. Proteins can also serve as a valuable energy source, but only in situations of fasting, exhaustive exercise, or inadequate calorie intake.